Alright, I'm going to try to point out some observer patterns that I have going on here. The one that really sticks out that I use multiple times is setting up pointers to specific objects, specifically with the player manager. So I have player input set ship with a pointer to the ship that's created within player. So we go over to inputs, keyboard input. Yeah, so this is the sort of observer pattern that I'm using. So this would kind of be the notify. So ship set Y position. Yeah. So I'm pretty sure that this qualifies as an observer pattern. Let's go through the mushroom field because I haven't really gone through this a lot. Just see if we can find anything. Yeah, so blocking element, it's head shroom and tail shroom. It is set up as a doubly linked list. The mushroom field, I mean, is a doubly linked list of blocking elements, which mushroom inherits from. I'm pretty sure that whole setup is causing a lot of issues. But yeah, let's look at the mushroom generator, which is the mushroom factory. Yeah, I don't actually think we need to take a look at that because we already went over factories and whatnot. So yeah, observer patterns in this. So blocking element, it is just an iterator, so I don't think that qualifies as an observer pattern actually. But yeah, the field is kind of convoluted. It has some alarms here. Yeah, so the regenerate function is using alarms. It's not doing some crazy thing with teal where it's pausing and whatnot. So we're just using alarms. Okay. Yeah, no observer patterns here, but this is the mushroom field. The timers that I have, so I named them Turbo Pencil and Turbo Timer, and this is what I'm using to sort of offload the work onto game objects. And I think that this would qualify as an observer pattern because I didn't want the let's see what I used. I didn't want the heads of display to be a game object. Let me just, sorry, I am extremely tired and I don't know where I put anything. Yeah, so initially I had the heads up display inheriting from game object, but now it is just taking a pointer to another game object, Turbo Pencil. So it's registering that pencil new to, it's actually creating it, and it is keeping a pointer to it. And then the pencil is using callbacks to sort of use the draw function. So I'm using pencil draw helper, which would be the notify, I believe, either the notify or the callback. Let's go to Turbo Pencil. Let's see where that is. Okay, and all it's doing is just r.drawSprite. It's using that teal method, and then it is, yeah. So that is completely offloaded to this. Yeah, I think that's about it in terms of the observer pattern and the mushroom field. Yeah, honestly I think I've over-explained a lot of my code, and I'm pretty sure I've hit everything that I possibly can at this point. So it's been a wonderful year. I hope I don't have to retake the class and go through all of this again, as fun as it was. I've never liked Centipede. I have very bad memories from when I was a child playing this game for about 5 minutes and just not enjoying it. So this was quite traumatizing, but yeah, thank you very much for the experience. I believe that this was really, really, really helpful overall. One of the best classes that I have ever taken. So honestly, thank you very much, and hopefully this is the conclusion of my Centipede journey. But have a good time grading everyone else's projects. I'm gonna go take a nap.